Well, Utah, it finally came. The parcel we've been waiting 3 weeks for Hermes to deliver from, where from? Karlsruhe?
Yeah.
How far is that?
100 kilometers.
100 kilometres. Takes Hermes 3 weeks, and it looks like it's been through 2 world wars. It's, I think it's been thrown about a little bit. I'm going to hand over the camera to Utah and she's going to video. Let's see if I can get this thing up. If I remember it. Another wee unboxing thing. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. This was sent from eBay. It was bought from eBay, and the guy actually said he was delivering it by Deutsche Post. If he'd have told me it was coming from Hermes, I would have maybe
This is soaking, no?
I've told them definitely don't send it from Hermes. I call them Herpes because they're like a cold sore. You never quite know when they're going to come, and they're always kind of unwelcome. It doesn't look like it's too damaged. I think the problem is it should have been marked up and down. I've just opened it on its side. Can you guess what it is yet?
For your new project.
Luckily, oh, that's not a good start. There should be, there's a ring here. And there should be other bits and pieces. I'll have to check the box. Oh, it's been broke off. Oh, it's smashed. Not good. That looks like one of the motor terminals just smashed off. Ah, fuck. It's really...
Really?
It's the terminal smashed off the relay. That isn't good. Have to find another way of powering it. And the Herpes, I mean, it was reasonably well packed, I would say. Unfortunately, like 3 weeks of being flung from one truck to another hasn't done any favours, I would say. Okay. Well, that's shit. I think the guy could have done a better job of emptying the oil out of it as well before he packed it. Well, it's finally came. I might be able to use part of it, I think. Not a happy bunny. Anyway, that's it for now, boys and girls, and tell you a bit more later.